Alright, so tomorrow is the D-Day where the Ratels are going to come out in large number in different states for general cleaning. I had previously announced that on the 29th day of November 2025, which is the last Saturday of November, we are going to come out in different states for general cleaning. We are going to be going into the gutters, clearing all those dirty where they park along the road. So tomorrow is finally here. So I'm going to be announcing the meetup location where you'll be meeting the people that will take you around for us to get it done. Now, before I announce, you see, government call me. You know, they say they don't believe, say I want to do cleaning. Say they think I want to do protests. But I told them I'm not doing any protests. And they were surprised that it is just cleaning. I said, we are the generation that are going to be changing a lot of things. And this is to promote patriotism in the hearts of the youth. So we, the Ratels, are going to show you people how patriotism is being done. A lot of people have laughed that, oh, see them, they want the jump site gutter, they clean, oh, Ratel, blah, blah, blah. But those are the people that don't know anything, you know. So we move. Now, Lagos State. Aja axis. Gwarimpa is one of the dirtiest places in Abuja. Gwarimpa is so dirty that it pisses me off. Gwarimpa is one of the places that plugged my... The first place I got the motivation, now that day where that guy they shit on top of Ikeja Bridge. Now that day I know say Nigerians are nonchalant. They are not patriotic enough. Because if they love the country, they don't go let person shit there. So if they join hand for the cleaning, you get some things where they don't go let. You know all those ones where we say you go inside motor, you go carry leather throw from inside motor, you go the dirty environment. It's not really good. So with this, we are going to push out cleaning Nigeria up and patriotism. Also, if I don't call your state, it still doesn't mean that you are not part of it. Please, you can come out in large numbers from your state, just move around and pick dirty you can pick. Go to different schools, help them clear the environment. You know, see our younger brothers and our younger sisters, they do school. You can help them clear the environment. If you help them darken their blackboard. Anyways, we have a long time to do this because we are going to be doing this every month. Now, the time, I didn't say the time will be 8 a.m. Now, 8 a.m. when they meet. The time will be 8 a.m. And please, if you are coming, come with shovel, rake, cutlass, anything where you get, you come with. And this is all you are wearing. If you no get them, you know me say you no feel the part of us, you still feel come. Or just get to do something for the country and to promote patriotism where go make Nigeria grow. Patriotism we no get. That is why you go notice something about insecurity. Instead make you call police, tell police, you no go tell them. You understand? We need to make Nigeria great. And the youths have gotten carried away with, you know, concerning mentality. If you no touch me, no be my business. So we are going to do this starting from tomorrow. Ratels, Ratels, Ratels. Peace and love, don't play. If you play, go and learn, I will learn the hard way. Wait.
This camera rolling again. So we put it's not today online, they talk online, they make mouth, say the country, no. Leave your house and come and make impact. You see, everybody you see here, we left our house to come and impact. We don't have to complain. So all of us come outside, come complain with our hand. Come complain with our hand. The country no good, don't let mouth to talk am. The smallest thing you can do is to pick the tip from the country. Come outside. All of you now, I challenge all of you. Come outside and repair the country. Start from your area. Come outside. Come outside. Come outside. Come
I see them talk and I saw it show.
This will not be charge.
So most of your other
Yeah, shout at people.
you can see Joko. Joko is not the one. You can see her. Yeah, Jesus is working on your No, mama, you can't. Mama, this is
We are here to work.
Come up for you with your eyes and go walk. Nothing worry you now. We are here to walk. Come on, you can hold it.
No, that's what
We do things the right way. We do things the right way, not be anyhow. So we finish cleaning, look at the truck. We want to put it inside now so they'll take it away. Lead by example, not a talk by example.
Yes, so. If you are a ratel and you are not here, you are not a ratel.
Guys, one house.
Let's go.
Let's go, Ratel! Let's get this Ratel cleaning.
We're here. We're cleaning up Nigeria. All the day. We're cleaning it today. Yes, we're cleaning it.
Hands of government.
Yes, quarter of government. We are here.
Let's keep Nigeria clean.
Outside. We're outside. So we're outside. We're outside. No, one follow that. Keep Nigeria clean.
Let's go.
Ratel, fall out. We are outside.